So this is my ministry hat, guys. Ministry of Agriculture. It's a grow smart, eat smart. Yes, guys. Here's Julie here. We're eating a one cocoa there that we harvested. We got from in the field. So we're just browsing through today. We're gonna pick some exotic fruit as usual. Pick some other fruits as well, and we're going to tour and do some section of the farm that we haven't been before. So come on, remember to smash your likes, leave your comments as usual, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. This is my pole pruner. I'm going to use to prune the top of this wax apple tree, and the limbs that I've got from it, I'm going to definitely use it to set in the mist propagation, propagate some of them, right? So please see with the shakiness of the video I'm trying to record whilst pruning this tree and making everything possible. So it has two triggers, one on the top, one at the bottom there. Use the rev to control the rev, and a stop on the top. And we have the extension bar up on the top as well. That round circular thing that you're seeing there, used to extend, going all the way up. And it easily covers a range of about 15 feet or so. So I can stand from the ground and do some pruning. So I'm going to further show you the setup of this machinery and the chainsaw region and the where you have the engine and so. So this is the bar with the saw on the top. Works similar to a paw saw and is activated by the trigger. And you have a little mini angle here that you hold, and it can slide along the bar and adjust to your height as well. So I'm be putting these in the misting bed so I can propagate these wax apple for our nurseries. Yes. So these are some Mami Sapote that I've collected from our previous adventure, and we're going to do a little taste test on them. So I have one right here inside my hand with the seeds as well that I've taken from it. It's a one seed per plant per fruit, and these seeds are very large. So I'll be setting these to see if I can get some Mami Sapote seedlings. And it tastes like a sweet potato, a cooked sweet potato, guys. It has that hearty taste within it. It's like a cooked sweet potato. Actually, it's not very juicy. I think this will make a very nice smoothie. So this is the cocoa nursery, guys. This was built to house 60,000 cocoa seedlings. We're doing some grafting. These are the finished plants and the finished product. You can see the evidence of the tape there in there, and this is the new flush growth. So the seedlings, the rootstock, are what we call 67 MS67, and this variety that we graft onto these are known as the ICS 95, MS 67 are the rootstock going out below the graft. And this is the ICS 95 or the ICS 1 growing there as a result of the grafting method. So these are all grafted plants right here. And over on this side, what work there should be done and stuff like that. So I have my road cut out for me. Sometimes I easily walk 10 kilometers or even more per day. I should download the app just to make sure, but I'm sure they are doing a little bit better with the grafting. When the seedlings are older, we are trying to do what we call a hypocotyledon graft. I should explain to you more. A dicotyledon plant come up with 2 leaves. So the first 2 leaves would be this and this one right here. So what would be a monocotyledon? They're just a single leaf coming up, like your corn or your fibrous plant. And so, but this is a dicotyledon because it has 2 leaves that germinate, that comes up after the germination process. So what we call the hypocotyledon graft is done below the dicotyledons right here. So we go below these 2 leaves, which is down here, to do our graft, so we have less spring back. And so when the farmers get them, here you have the dicotyledon mark right there. So you go below this. So this right here is what we call a petiole, and from this petiole the rootstock can emerge. So when you go below this, it is very easier for you to get the true to type clone that you're looking for in the ICS 95 and the ICS 1 in the cocoa varieties. So here we have a few dragon fruit plants here coming up. So these are here, these are gifted to us. So I have to go and move them because they're not doing so well up here. It's a little bit too cold for them. So I have to move them, carry them down where it's a little bit hotter and more humid. Grow them on trellises so we can definitely start our dragon fruit production on the farm. Clear under this pear tree here, so we can get to do some seedling from these. You know, avocado there. This This tree is absolutely loaded, guys. Come on, strip these, look at this. And that's just one limb, guys.